back out here, day 2, Mardi Gras 2025. We got to come out here to this parade to see my second niece march in this parade, and that's the first niece, big sister. So I'm out here on Louisiana, St. Charles. Me and my boy, Pelly the Penguin. He got a name today, you heard me? So we about to get up here, do this this parade, this particular parade, and then after my niece pass, I gotta go dip and go see my mom. So let's go. Get to a good spot so I can see my niece march. Because right now, everything's so crowded and so dense, so I gotta find a spot on the street somewhere. It's gonna be kind of hard to get through here.
Give everybody a big wave, Cole. Happy birthday, there you go. I'm sorry, Hill Key.
Yeah, so we're trying to go ahead so we can tell her mom to move up so she can feel this. That's it.
Charter school will come to that right.
Apparently, all the ash is my niece's ops, so I can't laugh. I can't sing with
You
it.
gotta edit that.
I gotta edit that out. It's gonna stay. Yeah, this.
Yeah, this it. No, thank you.
There she go right there.
All right, Mel there!
Mel! Oh, Mel! So I was able to record my niece not once, but twice with an embarrassed ass. Thank you to the friendly people who let me get up close by the barricade so I can record my niece. Now I'm about to go bounce and go see my moms right quick and get ready for the big parade tonight. So I just left my parents' house on my way to the big parade, which is Bacchus, and I need to get through this traffic before it get too bad, because you definitely won't get caught up in Bacchus traffic. That's a fact. But I need to come see my parents anyway, because every time I come home, especially during Mardi Gras, it's a holiday, I gotta go see my parents. I don't get a chance to see them too often, simply because, you know, I'm moving around, I travel a lot. So every chance I get, I gotta come home. But today, I'm going to get through this traffic. I'll holler at y'all when I find a spot at Bacchus. As you can see, that's why I need to get my ass through that traffic early, because Bacchus traffic. So let me go find my squad, and then I'll hit y'all up later.
But I told her I was gonna come and meet you. I was about to walk.
You gotta follow the sandwich. You gotta follow the sandwich. Then that's it. Bacchus 2025. Got some more bling than when I came out here with. You know what I'm saying? Upload this tomorrow, and then I'm gonna see y'all on Monday, Tuesday. See y'all on Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm out.
Just on my neck of my arm. Just on my neck of my arm. And this bitch going crazy.